Hi, I'm April Ann Garcia and welcome to Pampanga Premier Cars BMW Retail Next Showroom. Let's explore the BMW X5 plug-in hybrid. Our BMW X5 plug-in hybrid is a 3.0-liter engine, a gasoline, and it has 489 horsepower with 700 Newton meter. In front, you can see the most popular kidney grille that has the iconic glow that makes more this DNA of the BMW more highlighted to our customers. Our headlight is also an LED that has a high beam assist. This is a full-size SUV with 5-seater. And then we do have the run flat tires with 21 inches alloy wheel mags and M Sport calipers. This side, we also have the charging ports for your electric vehicles. This one is a plug-in hybrid. It also has the comfort access where can you open and close without using your physical key. You can also open and close your tailgate with using the comfort access kick function. It also has the split tailgate where you can use as a support. In here, we're using a sensitive leather and a fine wood trim. We have 14.9 wide screen that contains the BMW app. With the My BMW app, you can access features to your car by simply using your phone. Functions like lock and unlock, opening the headlight, and opening your vehicle's blower. You can also schedule your vehicle's maintenance with a few clicks on your phone. The BMW X5 plug-in hybrid also equipped with adaptive air suspension, which we can adjust the height of your car. You can avail this BMW X5 plug-in hybrid at $6,990,000. We would like to invite you to visit our showroom located at Jose Abad Santos Avenue, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Like and follow the Pampanga Premier Cars Facebook page. For inquiries, you may call 0998-587-8274.